Ano ang New Year's resolution mo? Ito, kakapasko lang and now our mind is set on the new year. And usually, iniisip natin, ano ang babaguhin ko sa buhay ko? What is my New Year's resolution? Minsan, nagiging skeptical tayo. Iniisip natin, last year hindi naman nag-work ang aking New Year's resolution. Huwag na lang akong mag-resolution. Pero marami din hopeful. It's a new year, it's a new chance to live better. Pero paano nga ba para maging effective ang ating New Year's resolution? Una, have faith. Have faith that you can do it. Give yourself a chance. The more you believe you can do it, the more you will be able to achieve it. Kaya faith is the first requirement. Pangalawa, have courage. Minsan natatakot tayo to set high standard. Natatakot tayo, baka mag-fail lang. Kaya yung faith, kailangan din ng courage. This year, be braver, be bolder, and overcome your fears. Hindi ka naman nag-iisa, kasama mo naman si Lord. At pangatlo, syempre, have a plan. Hindi pwedeng puro desire lang at puro tapang. Kailangan maayos yung pagplano how to achieve your goals. Kasi minsan gusto natin magbago overnight. Gusto natin baguhin in just 1 week. There are certain resolutions na 3 months mong tatrabahuin or maybe 6 months mong aayusin. Isama mo rin sa plano how you will cope when you get off track. Set a date when you will be achieving these goals. And syempre, like many plans, it adjusts at the middle of the year. Kaya huwag kalimutan magkaroon ng mid-year assessment din. Kaya don't look down on yourself. Kayang-kaya nating magbago. Have faith, take courage, and have a plan.